Hi viewers, this is Dharani along with my team members Navina, Neha and Pavan. And name of our team is Vipra. Uh, this is the application which we have built as part of our hackathon competition. Name of our application is Parking Management System, where user should be able to start scanning their vehicles using our application, wherein our application will automatically recognize the license plate numbers and check if the user parked in a valid place or not. Let me go through the application very quickly. Before getting to our application, let us first know about the users of our application. We have three users. One is application owner, two is organization admin, three is patrol user. Here we are the application users, where this application is ours. If someone wants to get our application, so they are going to be our line of business, and we are going to add their organization details into our application, and we'll create a credentials to the user. So the person who got the credentials is an organization admin who will be able to manage their application, parking application. The third person is patrol user who is actually patrolling the parking application using our mobile app. Now let's go through our application very quickly. This is the first part of our application, that is the web application. We do have the second part, that is mobile part, which actually patrol user will be using. So let me sign in using the application owner. Oops, it says please enter valid credentials. As always, I have given wrong password, I think so. Let me log in with an correct password. Yes, we got it. Okay, for the demo purpose, I have already added an account that is an organization admin. If you can see here in our database, we have all the users. We can create the account list using this add page. This is just a basic application for the user to add a line of businesses. Let me log out and log into the actual organization admin so that we can go through his functionalities. Okay, here you go. This is our dashboard where admin user can view the total number of parking lots available, total permits issued, and total available slots, and which are already occupied. This is the overview for an admin. Now, admin can add an user. Admin can add an user. Here, the user is the patrol user. That is why we can see our patrol user list. After like how we have done before. If I enter all the details and save, I'll be getting the patrol user list in this, so that this user can go ahead and use our mobile application and do the patrolling. Let me go through other part. Here you can see the add permit page, wherein users can create the permit of the customers. For suppose if the customers came in and asked, I want the permit for parking my car, then I'm gonna give permit by adding all these details. For the demo purpose, I have already added some of the users who is having parking permit. You can see the details here, wherein there is a username, email ID, the basic information we are capturing. The main thing is the VIN and the LPN number, license plate number. Apart from that, there is a location where they can park, the cost of the permit, and the valid from and to. So as a new user, as a new organization admin, when I initially log in, I don't have any locations for my organization in this application. So as an admin, I have to add the locations for my organization, the parking locations. When I meant location, the parking locations. So for adding the location, for suppose I want to add UMKC Student Union parking location, for suppose. I'm just giving a random address. Number of slots are available are 40. They're also capturing the cost for the permit. For permits, for suppose it says $150. And if someone violates this, then we're going to uh, charge $50. So now I'm gonna search with the specific area where I can go ahead and mark my parking slot. For example, this is my parking slot, and I can mark this parking slot. I can even mark multiple parking slots like this. Once the user added the parking slots and click on the save, here you go. The user can see his parking lot added into the list. For the demo purpose, we have already added few parking lots, and he can also view the parking lot allotted here in this area, particular area. So apart from that, what we have also planned, if we have time, we can also implement the ticketing system as well. But then according to the requirements, this is not the main requirement, and due to the time constraint, we have not focused this part. So as of now, when a user log in and when a patrol user scan the vehicle, he will be able to see whether the vehicle is in permitted area or not. That's it. If user is not authorized, it is going to pop up and saying that user is not authorized. But then later on, we are going to make this application in such a way that automatically tickets will be created. The user just have to scan all the vehicle numbers. That's it. If it founds that the vehicle is not authorized, then automatically a ticket will be created for that user in our database and sending to the particular user alerting saying that you have a ticket. So this is in a long run we can do that, but as of now for these 3 days we have built this web application and also the mobile application. So the mobile application, as we are also having the mobile user, he can log in from his mobile. That is the second part of our application, which is a superhero of our application. One of our teammate, Pavan, will be demonstrating that part in detail. Over to Pavan.